Did you know that up to 60% of what you put on your skin can be absorbed into your bloodstream? That means every product, whether natural or not, affects not just how you look, but your overall health. So today, I will show you the best ways to care for your skin, combining both science and nature to help you achieve that healthy, radiant glow. Your skin is your body's largest organ. It protects you, regulates your temperature, and reflects what's happening inside your body. Taking care of it isn't just about beauty, it's about self-care and confidence. In this video, I will walk you through the science of skincare and natural ways to keep your skin clear, smooth, and glowing. Let's face it, skin problems are something we all deal with. Dryness, acne, uneven tone, or dullness can be frustrating, and with so much conflicting skincare advice out there, it's easy to get lost. That's why we are going back to the basics, using scientific facts and natural remedies that really work. Step 1. Cleansing. Cleansing is the foundation of every skincare routine. It removes sweat, oil, dirt, and pollution that build up during the day. A good cleanser helps prevent clogged pores and breakouts while maintaining your skin's natural moisture barrier. So don't skip cleanser. Always cleanse your face, preferable 2 times daily. I prefer using micellar water, but you can use any gentle cleanser of your choice. Tip: choose a gentle pH balanced cleanser. Harsh soaps can strip your natural oils and cause irritation. If you prefer natural options, here are great cleansers you can use at home. Honey, naturally antibacterial and soothing, perfect for acne prone or sensitive skin. Oatmeal paste. Mix oatmeal with milk or water. It gentle cleanses while calming dry or irritated skin. Aloe vera gel help removes impurities while cooling and hydrating your skin naturally. Step 2. Moisturizing. Moisturizing is essential because it locks in hydration and keeps your skin barrier healthy. Even oily skin needs moisture. Skipping it can cause more oil production. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramide, and glycerin. They pull water into the skin and help retain it. If you love going natural, here's what you can try. Coconut oil deeply hydrates and softens dry skin. Shea butter packed with vitamins A and E. It nourishes and restores elasticity. Aloe vera gel, lightweight, perfect for oily or acne-prone skin. Honey mask, apply raw honey for 10 minutes and rinse. It hydrates and adds a beautiful glow. Tip: always apply moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp. It helps seals in the moisture better. Step 3. Sun protection. UV rays are the leading cause of premature aging. Dark spots, skin cancer, no matter your skin tone, sunscreen protects your skin and prevents damage over time. Use a broad spectrum SPF 30 or higher even when you are indoors near windows. For a more natural approach, look for mineral sunscreens made with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. They are gentle and effective. Also boost your sun protection from within by eating antioxidant-rich foods like carrots, oranges, and spinach. They strengthen your skin's natural defense against UV rays. Here is the truth. You don't need a 10-step routine to have a great skin. You just need consistency. When you stick to a simple plan, cleanse, moisturize, and protect every single day, your skin will transform. I used to switch products constantly, but when I simplified and stayed consistent, my skin finally became clearer, smoother, and healthier. Bonus tips. To make your routine even more effective, drink 8 glasses of water a day. Eat fruits and veggies rich in vitamin C and E. Sleep at least 7 hours. Your skin repairs overnight. Avoid touching your face and change pillowcases often. And don't forget, smile. Confidence is your best glow. So remember, healthy skin is simple. Cleanse properly, moisturize daily, protect from the sun, use natural remedies wisely, and above all, stay consistent. Your glow will follow. I would love to hear your favorite natural skincare tip. Drop it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification for more skincare and beauty tips every week. Stay glowing naturally.